Hello beautiful people, we are about to eat our food we prepared. So this is starch. It's on my YouTube channel how we prepare this starch. So this is the banga soup with papaya leaf, okay, and okra soup. So follow us as we want to eat our food. This is our big pot of food we prepare.
Oh, thank you, Jesus. Close your eyes, close your eyes.
Really close your eyes, open your eyes. So, Father, we cover this food with the blood of Jesus.
Thank you, Jesus, for blessing this food, sanctifying it in Jesus' name.
For those who are looking
for
for
providing
food,
this food, we know results. Thank you, Jesus. Emanuela, say thank you, Jesus. For those looking for food, God provide for them. Okay, so this is our lunch. Okay,
this is starch.
This is starch.
We prepared.
Okay, let's start with one first.
And banga.
Yes. Yeah, banga. So beautiful people, this is a starch. Okay, the process of the starch is on our YouTube channel. How we prepared it from cassava, from harvesting, and from the scratch. Okay, go and watch.
Sit well and eat. Sit. Sit. Do like this.
Another. Eat with your tongue. Not like this now. Eat the way you like. This is delicious. Beautiful people. You see the texture of the starch. No, you're using left hand to eat. Viewers, please, you are invited though. Philip, eat, eh? Yeah. No, eat. Oh. Yes, eat. the texture of this starch. Wow, excellent. Sorry. Sorry. Water.
Take it.
Philip, take water. Mm. Oh yeah, eat. Well, this is our starch. You can see the texture. Then this is our Banga Papaya Banga. This is Philip's own, and this is Emanuela's own. Wow, beautiful people. This food, please share.
Happy.
Sit down now, sit down. Sit down. Wow.
Thank you very much.
Philip.
Philip, this
Sit down.
food is
Sit down.
yummy.
Oh, this food is super delicious. Manuela. Stop. Please share, subscribe. Yes. Eat. Manuela, say bye bye.
Bye-bye.
Philip, say bye bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye bye. See you in our next
Next
video.
video.
Mwah.